Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down, I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them.
So now let's test out the Imperial Dragon. This is the cardboard ignition version of it that I made. Sorry guys, there's no electrical driver in it. First let's just try a hand spin. It won't spin for a long time as you expected from my other Super King base or other cardboard base, like for example First Uranus. It will stop very soon because there is no metal in it. Once in a while we'll be making good Beyblades like this, like how Hasbro does the Pro Series Beyblades. I launch this with the... Now I launch Imperial Dragon. The launcher 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Took the center position. As you can see, it does not spin for a very long time. It stops very soon because there is actually no weight or metal in it. In my other cardboard Beyblades, I used clay which gave the weight. But from now on, I'll be making Beyblades only in this system which will spin for a very less time. So now I'll launch in my string launcher that I made earlier. My cardboard string launcher. Lock the bay in it. Three, two, one, go shoot! So that's it guys for today. Hope you like how I made my Imperial Dragon in the shape. Make sure to subscribe to our channel GWP Creation and stay tuned for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye guys.